Hey there, I'm Jamey with Healthline.
And I'm Shana, a registered dietitian, and today we're trying Green Chef.
We'll talk about the subscription details, the packaging, the pricing, and
the nutrition info. That's where I come in.
As with all the brands we feature at Healthline, Green Chef went through our rigorous vetting process and came out Healthline approved. They also didn't pay either of us to make this video.
So you're getting our honest feedback in real time.
Should we jump in?
Let's do it.
So this is Green Chef, which is strictly a meal kit delivery service. They have 3 different options for menus. One is their standard, all-around, pretty all-inclusive balanced meals. One is plant-powered, which is vegan and vegetarian.
Correct.
And the other was keto and paleo. Within that, you can choose 2, 4, or 6 servings. And we went with the 2 servings. We got 3 different meals. How'd you feel when you were looking at the menu?
So everything looked really well balanced, which is nice, depending on what your dietary preference is. The only thing is that allergies, right? So if you have the major allergens, you might want to be careful because there's not a lot of options to pick and choose.
Yeah, there wasn't a filter, right?
Exactly. But it looks like you can take them out when cooking.
Cool. There were 9 options per week for each of the individual menus. So we went with the full, well-rounded menu option and had 9 to choose from. Here's what we got. Oh, wow.
Right.
Big old recipe cards. We got Cajun-style blackened chicken, butternut squash risotto, and cheesy pesto burgers with some very instructional guides.
Can't go wrong.
Now to the good stuff. We have a big old gel pack.
Look at this.
And little lunch bags.
This looks like oh my gosh. Oh
Nice.
my goodness.
This bag is greener than a salad, it says.
It sure looks it.
So let's talk about packaging while we're inspecting.
I kind of like the packaging. Okay, what else do we have here? I mean, everything's in this little insulated box too, which is really nice. This is the Cajun style blackened chicken.
And then our meat is on the bottom here.
Oh, okay, so they pack the meat separate.
We have a ground beef and some chicken, not looking
nice.
Nothing appealing about raw meat. Cool, so all of this is recyclable. There's instructions on how to recycle the ice packs. It's just on you to do it. So we're gonna make the Cajun style blackened chicken. How do you feel about their use of organic ingredients?
So if that's something that's super important to you, that's really amazing. It doesn't change the nutrition value of things, but it does make things eco-friendly, more sustainable, which is really nice.
Cool. We have a little tomato here, some spices, a very protected scallion.
Very protected.
Everything is pretty packaged in plastic here. Oh my gosh, look at this corn.
It looks like you're reaching in for your lunch. Whole lunch bag.
All right, let's make this Cajun style blackened chicken.
Let's do it.
Let's give it a little dump. How about that? Oh. Blackening spices for our chicken. Do you want to be the chopper?
I will be the chopper again.
Amazing. Yeah. All the packaging here is a lot of plastic, but recyclable. You just have to take the time and effort to make it so.
Exactly.
Do this. It took us 25 minutes. It said 25 minutes on the menu card, or the recipe card rather. It took us maybe less.
I think it felt like less.
Should we give it a try?
Yes.
Should we squeeze? I feel like this lime garnish is calling to me.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine is tasty.
Mine's tasty, but the remoulad's really tasty.
I know.
So I don't know.
I know. I was about to say, even without
Yeah.
Mine is pretty good.
It's pretty good. It's pretty straightforward. Not a lot of frills involved in this recipe. Yeah, I mean, you could make this
it's super colorful too.
Let's talk a little bit about pricing and menu options while we're enjoying. The main structure of Green Chef is that you have 3 different menu options, but you can't deviate from one to another. So this is the balanced meal, and we couldn't have added on a like keto paleo menu option or a vegan menu option. So we have to stay in our lane. But the pricing is around $11 per serving, which is...
It's a little pricey, but again, all the ingredients are there for you, and it only took like 20 minutes.
It was so easy.
So it's super easy.
And shipping costs money, which varies depending on how large of a shipment you're getting, so that's something to consider as well. Pros and cons?
Well, pros, it's delicious. And also, if you do have allergies, it seems that you can choose to not include them.
Yeah.
Right? So yours has all the things I can't eat, and it's still good for me.
Ease definitely was so user-friendly. The recipe card was very straightforward, and this meal was a breeze. Cons?
Can't really add or, I guess, take away when you're choosing things. A little pricey as well. But other than that.
Yeah, I think the only other con would be that you're restricted to 9 meals a week. But as someone that struggles to look at a menu and make a decision, I feel like that would be a good thing for me.
Yes, so it depends. It's all individual.
We're going to finish our meal, but first, before we go, a huge thank you to Shana Spence for joining me today.
Aw, thank you.
If you have any questions about Green Chef, go ahead and pop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell to stay up to date on all the latest health and wellness info from Healthline.